Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows script host error in Appdata. The system cannot find the file specified error. Open any browser, type Autoruns download in browser search bar. Click Autoruns for Windows. Click Download Autoruns. Open Autoruns. Search with VBS. If any red line indication, right-click Delete. If any red line indication, delete it. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.